My name's Iain and I work for Subsea Offshore as a graduate contracts engineer. The role of the contracts engineer is not necessarily just sitting in the office and working at your computer. You also go out to the clients a lot, see them, how they're getting on, what projects they're looking to do. You also get to go offshore on the graduate programme Subsea Offshore. So I was off last year on the Subsea Topaz, and we were offshore on a project that I worked on, that I completed a contract for, so I got to see it right from the very beginning, right through to executing that project offshore and seeing what really happens offshore and working with the guys and what they do and how they live offshore and the environment and the challenges that they face that I could carry on and implement into the role that I do and see if I can improve what happens offshore. We've got the overall responsibility, along with the project manager and the project team, to make sure that this project goes according to the contract, that we live up to our expectations to our client, that we deliver on time and on budget. But during my graduate scheme throughout Subsea, I've been there over a year and a half now. We get a lot of on-the-job training where you get to experience different areas of the business. We'll also get to do a lot of professional training where they put you on courses with professional providers, gaining your knowledge and adding to that on contractual negotiation skills, presentation skills, how to deal with people, communication. You also get a mentor throughout the graduate programme where you get to develop where you want to go throughout your career. So if you want to end up being a chief executive of some sort of company, you get advice on how to deal with that and move on with that to ensure that you reach your goal. I didn't know anything about the subsea industry before getting into it, but I can see in the short space of time that I've been in it, there's a huge amount of potential in this industry to grow, and you really can do anything you want. There's endless opportunities globally to work in the subsea industry. You can see a lot of people moving abroad with it, going with new companies that are growing a lot. There's endless opportunities for you that you want to go with that. I know people have went out to Australia, they've went to Houston, they've went to Dubai. There's a huge amount of scope to develop your skills in the subsea industry. Working in the subsea sector, there's obviously a lot of benefits with working in this industry. There's a lot of activities. A lot of the companies in the subsea sector are very keen on doing things for charity. So like this year, I'm off to Cambodia to build a library with a charity ActionAid, and Subsea Offshore are supporting us by giving us funding towards that. They also do a lot of social elements, like this year is Subsea Offshore's 10th anniversary, so we've got events every month. So advice to young people getting into this industry is very much getting work experience once you're still at school, and also once you're into university studying for your degree. I think a lot of it is how you deal with people, how you communicate that across to people. You need to show that you're keen and show that you're willing to work hard, and that you need to show that by going above and beyond what others are doing. So if you can show an interest in getting in some work experience, then I think that would do the world a good. Never let anyone say that you can't do anything, and that really push yourself to work hard, and that it really can work out well. Like, none of my family ever went to uni. I'm the first one to go get myself a degree, and you really need to push yourself to do well, and if you work hard, then you really can achieve anything that you want to do. Is that okay, something like that? Aye, well, I'm for Peter Heed and I managed to do it, so